So the next topic under the vendor master purchasing, vendor text. So we already discussed about the text more than 2 times under the vendor general data, under the vendor company code data. So no need to go again discuss the same thing. So the field language, proposed language, you can select the language based on your client requirement, and the text ID, short text and long text, more text exist. All the field which we discussed in the previous videos, you can go through that. The topic number 6, supply region. So under the supply region, the first field is country slash region key. The country slash region key in SAP is a code used to uniquely identify a country. So, and sometimes it is a region or state. It is a master data field used in many areas of SAP: vendor master, customer master, material master. So for logistics data, company code, plant, tax setup, interstate, foreign trade. So what it represents? The country slash region key usually stores the country code. For example, IN, which is nothing but India; for America, US; so for Germany, DE; for Japan, JP. So these are all the country code. So you can write the country code with the country name like India, USA, Germany and Japan. Each country code have 2-digit ID, legal and tax formats, currency defaults, address formatting rules. So the example values, as I discussed: India IN, US United States, DE Germany, SG Singapore. So in SAP, these are stored in table T005. So where you see it under the vendor master address, you can see the country used to determine tax procedures, address format on purchase orders, intrastate or foreign trade declarations. So under the customer master, used for terms of trade, pricing and tax determinations. So under the financials, used to define withholding tax, legal reporting rules, fiscal year variance in some countries. Then the configuration locations under the SPRO menu path, go to SAP NetViewer, general settings, set countries. Here the consultant defines country code, currency, time zone and tax formatting rules. So the next field is supplier region and description. So in SAP MM vendor master purchasing data, supplier region is used to specify from which region the vendor supplies goods. This is especially useful when the vendor has multiple factories or dispatch locations, delivery conditions, taxes, logistics or freight differ by region. The same vendor supplies different plants from different locations. The step number 1, what is supply region? It is a predefined key that defines the physical area from which materials are supplied. For example, supplier region code is TN, meaning is Tamil Nadu; KA Karnataka; MH Maharashtra; GJ Gujarat; KL Kerala. So these are all some examples of supply region code. So then what is description? The description is the full name of the supply chain. For example, code is TN, description is Tamil Nadu. This makes the region readable in reports and purchase documents. Where it is used? Under the supply region is used in vendor master, info records, source list, purchase orders, MRP and source determinations, and delivery and freight calculations. Why it is important? It helps SAP determine taxes, for example IGST, CGST, SGST in India, expected lead times, freight charges, region logistic rules, material planning per supplier zone. Step number 5, configurations under the SPRO path, material management, purchasing, vendor master data, define supply regions. So you define the code, for example TN, description is the Tamil Nadu. Real-time examples: the supply plant, Chennai plant, supplied from TN, Tamil Nadu. Second one is Bangalore plant, KA Karnataka, supplied from. This helps procurement and MRP apply correct delivery timelines and tax based on the specific region.